To be an efficient transcriber, there are skills that you need to possess in order to be successful in transcription. In this video, we are going to look at 5 transcription skills that will make you a successful transcriber. Number 1 is typing. A good transcriber must have fast and accurate typing skills, but when starting out, accuracy is important over speed. To work on your speed and accuracy, please visit typingtest.com or typingmaster.com. Visit these websites daily to improve your typing skills. Number 2, depending on the work, you may need to fix the grammar and spelling of the recording unless instructed not to by the client. Full stop or a semicolon makes a huge difference. Therefore, know how to spell check, grammar check, and proofread your transcript. This is a very important skill to learn. Number 3 is listening. It is important to have an enhanced ability to hear. You will come across difficult files, speakers speaking low, background noise, and multiple speakers. That is why your hearing needs to be top-notch, so that you may be able to comprehend what is being said or hear what is being said. Also, practicing different audio accents is important. You will meet Indian accent, Spanish, and all those languages. So having the experience of different accents is very important for your transcription career. Number 4 is comprehension. According to the dictionary, to comprehend means to grasp mentally or understand. Therefore, you need to understand what is being spoken about in order to deliver client-ready transcripts. You might hear an audio say horse, but the real word is house, complement and compliment, piece and piece, stationary and stationary, precedent and precedent. You can see that all these words have the same pronunciation but are written differently. So having the comprehension to notice what is being spoken about is very important. So you need to listen and re-listen to the audio for you to get the word that is being spoken about. Number 5 is research. Research skills are very vital to help you determine strange or new terminologies used. Remember we talked about comprehension? Now this is where research comes in. If you cannot understand a word, you can search on Google to either get or understand what is being spoken about. You may also use it to search a name of a company or a CEO of the company because you didn't hear the name correctly. Research skills also help you to clarify the spelling of words like gratuitous, impertinent, invertebrate, and so forth. If I've mentioned the words wrongly, please bear with me. So let's recap the 5 skills that you need in order to do a better job in transcription. Number 1, typing. Number 2, language. Number 3, listening. Number 4, comprehension. And number 5, research. Make sure you practice these skills and you are on your way to becoming a successful transcriber. Remember to subscribe and like this video if it was informative for you.